Hello everyone, I'm Sajid and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'll try to talk about the new update which has been come in the Realme X2 Pro device, so which is a Realme UI 2.0 and Android 11 update, as you can see, friends. And few of the users, they did update to the beta version as well, and they are trying to use right now the Realme UI, but this is the stable update which I have received today itself. And let's see, friends, the size of this update is about 3.23 GB, the size of this update. So in this video, we'll be exploring all the features and what is the time taken to install complete Realme UI 2.0 update in this phone as well. I'll try to talk about those details as well. So as you can see, friends, update log has plenty of feature which got installed with the Realme UI 2.0. So I've done already a Realme UI 2.0 videos as well. So there is a separate playlist which I've created. So more than 25 videos, as you can see right now, 28 videos are already uploaded on this Realme UI 2.0 version, explaining all the features and all those things. So make sure to check those videos, friends, in case if you're interested to know. But overall in this video, I'll just go through the basic options what got added. So starting from the, as you can see, friends, starting with the update lag, some kind of personalization options got installed, as you can see here, and multi-device interactions. So as you can see, and eye efficiency. So there is some big list of updates as well, so it will take long time for me to read each and everything. So that's why I'm just mentioning only the key highlight points. So system updates and some launcher updates, security and the privacy update. There's some Breno, which is a voice assistant, which I won't even use, and games as well, and the communication, photos, camera, Realme Lab. There are some other things got added in the Realme Lab as well. I'll try to check those details as well, friends. So there's accessibility settings as well. So there's plenty of options to explore in this Realme UI update. So right now it's time to update now. So let me to click the update and start the stopwatch at same time. So let's see how much time actually this phone will be able to take. So right now the battery percentage is of 43%. So during this update, how much battery will be drained as well. So you will get to know those kind of details in this complete video. So once after entering the password, this will be verifying, and once the screen turns off, I'll try to turn on the stopwatch. So then we will get to know how much time the phone has actually taken to completely install the Realme UI 2.0, and make sure your phone should be having at least 40% of the battery. So make sure to keep it charged fully, or maybe you can try even at the 43 or like this percentage. So right now it's still verifying, and right now the Realme logo has been booted, as you can see. So let's see, friends, how much time the phone will be actually taking as well. And meanwhile, let's explore the Realme UI 2.0. So here is the features and tips and tricks. So I did compare plenty of differences with the MIUI 12.5 as well, in terms of all the usability and always on display, dark mode. Plenty of things I compared, even the game center, game space, lot of things, even the MIUI animations as well. Lot of things got changed, and in the background here is the installing process is going on still. And the charging speed, so charging speed also I'll try to test after updating to this Realme UI 2.0. So because few of the users, they did complain the charging speed also decreased after the update. So again, I'll be back, friends, once the installation process has been done and the phone reboots. So we'll get to know the actual time, how much it has been taken. As you can see, friends, right now the time is about 4 minutes and 50 seconds, close to the time of 5 minutes of time. And right now phone successfully installed and it's getting booting up, as you can see, friends. And as soon as I see the lock screen, I'll try to stop the stopwatch at same time. So we'll get to know exactly how much time the phone actually takes to completely install the Realme UI 2.0 and the Android 11 update as well. So that is what, and every time I do this kind of update, big update, I'll definitely do this kind of time taken to update as well. So this will help plenty of other users as well, in terms of estimating how much time the phone actually takes to update. So right now, as you can see, friends, still it's only at the Realme logo. So still I'm not getting the lock screen. So it's in the Realme logo for the past 30 seconds, I think so. So let's see how much more time this phone will take right now. So during this time, just be very patient, friends. Don't try to press the power button, and don't try to restart. Don't try to press any kind of volume button or all those things. So just keep the phone aside. So this will automatically boot up again. So let's see how much more time this will take again. And after some time, in the below you'll be seeing this kind of message saying that optimizing apps 19%, 20%, 21%, as you can see. So after some time, So once the percentage has reached to the 100%, then the phone will be able to restart. So that's why it's taking some more time. As you can see friends, right now you can clearly see the percentage number below. So finally friends, at overall time it took about 7 minutes of completely installing the process of the Realme UI 2.0. So 7 minutes and 15 seconds overall time it has been taken. As you can see right now it's still setting up. So this is the overall time, and right now my phone got updated to the Android 11 as well. I think as you can see the notification panel also got changed from the previous to this is the latest notification panel which you are seeing right now. And about phone, as you can see right now you can see successfully Realme UI 2.0 and Android 11 update, as you can see friends. So thank you for watching this video. For more interesting videos, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned, and don't forget to check the links in description for more details. So see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.